It's always learning lessons from the past in order to build a new shared future for humanity. It's about planning now for the future with a spirit of determination and a spirit of optimism. I have to say, for us who live in developed capitalist countries, there's not a lot of genuine optimism around. China is rising to the challenges of the 21st century and is determined to build on its achievements in order to address those challenges and overcome them in that spirit of optimism. We have warm, comradely relations with the CPC. I'm pleased and delighted to say, because they're based on mutual respect, they're based on a sense of equality, and they're based on the principles of Marxism. I'm looking forward to those relations being enhanced in the future. In particular, once the pandemic is overcome and once we can begin to lift lockdowns and so on, we want to see many more people going to China and seeing for themselves. This is the important thing. People must go to China and see for themselves and not simply believe what they read in the and hear in the Western media, which really does give a very distorted picture of the reality of China today. In the future, of course, and in the present, we are learning from the experiences of the CPC. In terms of the CPC's relations with other parties, we do share the same planet, that we have a common responsibility as human beings to help the poor and the vulnerable and the sick and the oppressed. That we can only do that if we have a world of peace and a world of cooperation.